Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a good weekend and a great time at the much dread event on Saturday. This morning we're waking up to a kind of a chilly morning with temperatures in the 40s. There is some rain to our north and west. There will be some rain around today, especially as we get toward lunchtime, although it's not going to rain the whole day. And we will see chances of rain in the forecast every day this week, all the way through Saturday. So we'll talk about that here, show you the 7-day forecast. Again, we will see a good chance of rain today, but again, it's not going to rain the whole day. I think an emphasis on about 11 to about 2 today with the highest rain chance. And we'll see some drier weather as we go into the end of the day, and that's when temperatures really warm up. So that will be a good thing, and we'll see warmer temperatures this week, although tomorrow is a big kind of question mark day with the temperatures. And I'll show you that here in just a second. So here's the forecast radar today, showing you some scattered showers around through lunchtime, and then we'll see a bit of a break this evening before more rain returns for tomorrow off and on. And looking at the temperatures tomorrow, I did want to mention this. I know we have 70 on the graphic, but notice how there's going to be a huge range in those temperatures tomorrow. So there's a chance that this front does not go as far north. We could stay a lot cooler for a day Tuesday. So I just want to mention that risk in the forecast for tomorrow, that there is going to be a big range in those temperatures for today Tuesday, but that warm front is going to lift north Tuesday night, and that's going to lead to some very warm and humid conditions midweek. It's going to feel a little bit summer-like even, I think, Wednesday, with high humidity around. We'll have lows in the 60s, highs in the mid, possibly upper 70s even on Wednesday. The chances for rain out there will be pretty likely, especially on Wednesday and Thursday. So again, I think Wednesday and Thursday are going to be the two wetter days of the week. There could be a few strong thunderstorms as well, so definitely want to be weather aware, and I would especially be aware of the heavy rain potential. We could see about 1 to 3 inches of rain easily over the next 5 days, so keep that in mind. We will start to dry things out Friday. I think Friday turns out to be mainly dry. We'll actually see some pretty nice weather there Friday, but Saturday, mini marathon on Saturday, we'll have at least a chance for a shower or two around, and then Sunday we'll go dry with highs in the 70s. Thank you guys for watching this forecast. Have a great Monday.